we have our dynamic website running. We have tried to register users in our database and it worked. So in this video we are just going to host a simple website, not a simple website, just a free bootstrap template, just like one of those one-page websites. If you don't have it already, you should actually check out the online resume templates and just download any one of those templates. Don't change the credit, like leave the credits because it's free, so give them some credits, but change your name and do all those stuff and just host it on your cloud instance. It's pretty cool if you have your own web server on the cloud running your website. Like that's quite impressive if you have that going for you. And it's not just a one-page website. You can do a login, you can do a lot of stuff in that if you know web development. It's quite easy and it's impressive if you have all of that on the cloud, which you built by yourself. So click on download, and let me download this in the downloads folder. So I have this in the downloads. This is the link. I'll just keep it like this because you can actually do a wget on the server itself with the link and try to do the unzip over there. So we have, where is it, glassfish, what was the name of that, start bootstrap. Okay, so I'm going to extract it here itself. So 7-zip. Once that has completed, it is here and you have all the files that you need. So what I'm going to do is open cmd. So cmd, and in the command prompt, remember I told you to install the installer. That's because it also installed PSCP that we are going to use. If you just downloaded the putty gen and putty, you'll have to go back and download PSCP, which is putty secure copy. We are going to use the -i option with the key is our private key, and we are going to use this one. So what I'm going to do, I also need to use -r because I have to copy directories. So let me do PSCP -r -i. My name, first I have to change the directory, so I have to go to downloads and then do a PSCP -r -i land key.tpk and then EC2 host. No, I will give the source. So the source is start bootstrap, everything after that, and the destination is EC2 user @ whatever the public DNS is. So it's already over here, so I have to paste it and do a colon, and I can also specify where I have to do this. So I'm going to put this in var www html, and that's it. Yeah, I'm going to put it in var www html and hit enter. So wait for it to copy. It's going to take a while because there are so many files. So I'm just going to pause it until the video, like until the transfer completes. So the transfer has been completed. Let me check if all the files are present in here. So I am in var www html. So if I do an ls, you can see the new files over here. Let me do an ls -l. So all these files, curve.js, we only had db controller, index.php, and yeah, that were the only two files before this. Now we have all these files. So let's go, and the basic so the home page is index.html, so we don't even have to specify a web page. If we just go to the public DNS, it should pick up the web page by itself, the index.html. So I'll hit enter and our one-page website should come up. Let's see. It's loading, it's waiting. Okay, so you see the title and your website is over here. So this is your web server and you have your website running. And if you want, you can just take this, do a wget and do an unzip. Let me try that. Or yeah, let me give it a try. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to make a new directory try wget. Hope it does not download the PHP. Oh no, I think it's downloading the page. Let me pull out the link for you. That was actually the link on my downloads. So let me do an ls pages cd. It's not a directory. What is it? ls minus l. I don't know, guys. There's no .zip at the end to unzip it. It's kind of weird. But yeah, if you have any .zip files, just download it over here and unzip it. But the good thing is your website is still working, this one, so it's EC2. So you have your bootstrap website running, one page website, you have your dynamic website running on your LAN server, all of this on your EC2 instance which you just created. So I would suggest you guys give this a try. It's quite easy, it won't take this much time. It would take like 2 hours at most. But yeah, go ahead, give this a try. I'm thinking of other videos that I should make on AWS. This is my second tutorial. The first one was Glassfish and Postgres SQL Server. That was a bit complicated and lengthy than this one. This is like the basic. But yeah, give this a try. Hit me up if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any suggestions or if you want to learn something. I'll try to make a video on that. Until then, keep subscribing, keep liking my videos. I will see you guys in the next video.